This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, it is July 29th, 2019. This one here I got a call for a Wild McLean boiler. Not heating up a storage tank. So there's a storage tank and it should fire the boiler, but it's not firing the boiler. So I'll go over there and see what I could figure out. I think it's one of those direct vent Wild McLean boilers with a big control on the front. Electronic control on the front. Sometimes it's the storage tank thermostat that's bad. It's not calling, right? I mean, gotta check all that shit. So if the circulator is not circulating
turn left
for the storage tank, we'll go over there. We'll give it the old "How you doing, Mama?" Oh yeah, I know you love it. You love working. You love working. Yeah, you love working. I know you love working. You love working. Having a bad hair day? You having a bad hair day? Huh? You having a bad hair day? Oh yeah, you love getting petted. Back in 08, I replaced the circulator. What else? That's been replaced. It's not running. Zone head's calling. Might be a bad head. We could check and see if we got continuity between 2 and 3 with the wire off. I bet you that's the problem. Take that wire off and see if that's the problem. Might just be a bad head. There we go, that's our problem. Right there's a bad head. That's the problem. Simple fix. Alright, so I got the new one in there. The new one smells burnt. We'll see, that should fire in 90 seconds. Now you could tell is that level will pull down easy. See how it's fetching up? After 90 seconds, I'll pull down easy, that lever. Okay? Just so you know. Alright. Now it's running. Does that make sense to you now? Mm-hmm. And I'll probably put a couple of connectors on these. This is just floating in the wind. That's better. This is my tag back from 08. That's 11 years ago I was here. Replaced circulator.
That was before we bought the house. Or when we bought the house.
Must have been. Replaced circulator, purged the ears. Yeah, but that's probably Bob Long then.
Yep.
Replace zone head. Storage tank. Well, it's going to take a little while to warm up, obviously.
Yeah, it does anyway, so like when you're all the way upstairs and stuff.
Replace zone valve head to storage tank. Alright. Easy.
10 hours of work.
Yeah. Alright guys, Steve Lav here. I'm just going to go over how that zone valve works. So you got the transformer up top there. You got the 110 coming into the transformer to reduce down to 24 volts. 1 and 2 on the transformer. So the power goes up to the thermostat, which would be in the water tank. And then it comes out when it calls for hot water. It goes to 1. It energizes take ozone valve 1 with power. Now the neutral comes off the transformer and goes to 2. So when that thermostat calls, you get 24 volts on 1 and 2. So you never want to jump them out when it's calling, because you'll short out that transformer. Now, if you look down on 2 and 3, that's just an end switch. So when 1 and 2 is energized after 90 seconds, 2 and 3 is just the common just goes through from 2 to 3. And you can see the way the T-stat on the boiler is. When 2 and 3 energize, it just connects the TT on the boiler, which closes the circuit, which fires the boiler. So hopefully that makes sense. When I went there, that take ozone valve was energized because I could pull the lever down, so I knew I had 24 volts between 1 and 2. But it wasn't firing the boiler. So 2 and 3 wasn't completing the circuit to fire the boiler to call for heat, to heat that water up. So it's pretty simple how they work. You just disconnect number 3 wire and do a continuity test, and if it rings out, it's good. And if it's not ringing, it's not, it's the end switch isn't going through, basically. So I just wanted to do a quick little diagram for the guys that don't know how it works. And once you know the basics of things, it's pretty simple. Let her rip. Come on, good girl. There you go. Good job. Good job, Molly. All right, come on. Daddy let you in. Come on, I got you. I got you.